Hello. Check our HPEDM big self-centering vise. It was made of alloy steel. The valve length is 160 mm. The vise is 120 mm. Check it. The forward clipping size up to 75 mm and reverse clipping side up to 140 mm. The draw can be held by reverse direction. Check it. And the button, there are 8 holes. These 2 holes distance is 52 mm, and these 2 hole distance 96 mm. So it can be clipping for 2 different adapter. Yeah, check it. How to use it? Just need the wrench 14 mm to here. Yeah, to loose and tight it. Yeah, and hold workpiece like this. Yeah, like this, and then test it. Here can clipping very thin workpiece up to 3 mm. Yeah, it is high accuracy up to 0.02 mm. We can give you very good price, warranty is 1 year. Welcome to inquire. Thank you.